Colonization test. Write your name, date, and class period. Remember, you can pause at any time. Question number 1. Which products best replace the question mark? If you look at the picture, colonial trade with England, you have one arrow with tobacco facing Europe. Then you have an arrow facing the colonies with a question mark. Your answer choices are A, coal and oil, B, meat and fish, C, manufactured goods, or D, wheat and slaves. Question number 2. Which colonial region had good harbors, abundant forests, rocky soil, and a short growing season? Is it A, southern colonies, B, middle colonies, C, New England colonies, or D, Northwest region? Question number 3. Which of the following was a primary reason France sought to colonize North America? Is it A, to reduce overpopulation in Europe, B, to create communities founded on religious tolerance, C, to profit from trading furs and other goods, or D, to create joint ventures with other European powers? Question number 4. Which best explains why colonial farmers settle near oceans or coastal waterways? Is it A, it was safer since fewer Native American Indians lived there, B, colonial governments often paid farmers to settle there, C, the land was easier to clear since it had fewer trees and rocks, or D, transportation by water of goods and crops was easier? Question number 5. What were the main economic, political, and social reasons for European exploration? Is it A, freedom, B, rights, C, family ties, or D, God, gold, and glory? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 2. What effect did geographic factors have on the economy of New England colonies? Is it A, they encouraged the establishment of large plantations, B, they promoted the growth of fishing and shipping, C, they increased the region's dependence on slave labor, or D, they supported the planting of rice and tobacco farming? Question number 7. During the colonial period, goods were most commonly transported on A, rivers, B, canals, C, railroads, or D, turnpikes? Question number 8. What was the main reason for large plantations developed in the South during the colonial period? Is it A, British laws discouraged tenant farming, B, cotton could be grown in wetlands, C, southern mountains led to the development of isolated, self-sufficient farms, or D, the coastal plain in the South contained large areas of fertile soil? Question number 9. Use the map below to answer the questions. If you look at the map, you'll see a legend that gives you information about what is being sold in the plantations, or what is being grown in the plantations, or the type of work that is being done in the plantations. Lumber, dried fish, and rum were mainly products of the blank. Look at the picture and locate lumber, dried fish, and rum. Then try to locate what region it is located. Is it A, the New England colonies, B, the Middle Atlantic colonies, C, Southern colonies, or D, Northwest Territory? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 10. The main reason for the variety of products in the colonies was a difference in the blank. Is it A, family structure and education, B, geography and climate, C, political and social systems, D, national origins and culture? Question number 11. Use the map above to answer the question. Which numbered area represents the colonies that had large plantations? Look at the numbers and be able to determine the answer to this. Is it A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4? We're trying to determine where the large plantations are located. Question number 12. The Columbian Exchange was the exchange of food, animals, diseases, and ideas between the Americas and blank. Is it A, Africa, B, Asia, C, Europe, D, Australia? Question number 13. What body of water did the first settlers cross in order to reach the New World? Is it A, Atlantic Ocean, B, Pacific Ocean, C, Indian Ocean, or D, the Arctic Ocean? Question number 14. Which region was mainly involved in shipbuilding, forestry, and fishing? Is it A, New England, B, Middle, C, Southern, D, Eastern? Question number 15. Which colonial region is known as the breadbasket? Is it A, New England colonies, B, Middle colonies, C, Southern, D, British colonies? Question number 16. Which colonial region had plantations, fertile soil, and a long growing season? Is it A, New England, B, Middle colonies, C, Southern, or D, British colonies? Question number 17. In the triangular trade, resources, raw materials travel from the blank to Europe. Is it A, the Americas, B, Africa, C, Asia, or D, Australia? Remember, you're trying to determine where the raw materials went when they left, when they're going to Europe. Where are they coming from? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 18. Which colonial region was founded for religious freedom? A, New England, B, Southern, C, Middle Atlantic, or D, British? Question number 19. What highly desirable product made from this crop was used to dye fabric, particularly the cloth of royalty? Is it A, yellow, B, gold, C, periwinkle, D, indigo? Question number 20. The route taken by slaves during the triangular trade is referred to as A, slave trade, B, Northwest Passage, C, Underground Railroad, D, Middle Passage. Question number 21. Under what economic system was it the role of colonies to provide the mother country with raw materials? Is it A, mercantilism, B, free enterprise, C, command economy, D, socialist economy? Question number 22. Where did the slaves that came to the New World come from? A, Canada, B, Africa, C, China, D, Brazil. Question number 23. What were the three main reasons for European exploration? Is it A, glory, fame, and gold, B, God, glory, and fame, C, God, glory, and gold, D, curiosity, game, and fame? Question 24. In what ocean did triangular trade take place? A, the Pacific, B, the Caribbean, C, the Indian, D, Atlantic. Question 25. What region of the 13 colonies had indigo plantations? Is it A, the middle colonies, B, the northwestern colonies, C, the New England colonies, or D, the southern colonies? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. If you change your answers on your answer key, make sure your Scantron, make sure that you erase it well. Go back and double check your answers. Good luck.